Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to import PDF to Figma without plugins. A lot of people think you need plugins for everything in Figma. You don't. Sometimes the cleanest solution is using tools already built into the platform. If you just need a PDF inside your workspace quickly, there's a simple workaround using FigJam. Start by logging into your Figma account and opening the editor. This can be any project dashboard or workspace where you normally design. Why start in the editor? Because you're going to move content from one Figma environment into another. Step 1. Open the main menu. Look at the top left corner and click the Figma logo. This opens the main drop-down menu. From there, click File, New, FigJam. What is FigJam? FigJam is Figma's whiteboard/collaboration tool. It's designed for brainstorming, sticky notes, diagrams, quick imports, and shared canvases. And importantly here, it handles drag-and-drop file imports more flexibly. Once selected, a new blank FigJam board opens in another tab or window. This is your temporary import space. Drag and drop the PDF. Now open your computer's File Explorer. Locate the PDF file you want to import. Then drag and drop the PDF directly into the FigJam canvas. What happens next? Figma will detect the file and may ask how you'd like to convert or place the PDF. You mention selecting Jamboard. Then click Confirm. Clarification about this step. Depending on current Figma updates, wording or options may vary. Interfaces change over time. The key point is, choose the available import/convert option. Confirm the upload. Step 4. Wait for the PDF to import. Once processed, your PDF pages or content will appear on the FigJam board. This may come in as images, flattened page previews, imported visual blocks. Important reality check. This usually imports the PDF visually, not as fully editable text layers. So don't expect perfect editable vectors every time. Step 5. Select the content and copy it. Keyboard shortcut, Copy, or right-click, Copy. Step 6. Go back to Figma Design Editor. Return to your original Figma design file/editor. Then paste the copied content into the canvas. What you just did. You used FigJam as an import bridge, brought the PDF into Figma's ecosystem, moved the content into your design file. Smart workaround. No plugin required. To summarize, importing a PDF into Figma without plugins can be done by opening the Figma editor, using the top left menu to create a new FigJam file, and dragging the PDF into the FigJam canvas. Once the PDF is processed through the available conversion/import option, the resulting content appears on the board. You then copy the imported object and return to your main Figma design editor, where you paste it into your project. This method is useful because it avoids third-party plugins and gives you a quick way to bring PDF content into Figma. However, imported PDFs are often visual assets rather than fully editable design layers, so expectations should stay realistic. And that's how to import a PDF into Figma without plugins. Practical workaround, not magic trick. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.